gonna give it a little bit of throttle. Let's go. Hey there everyone. Today we're driving a 2015 Honda Civic LX stick shift. I want to say a huge thank you to Aidan over at MemberCar of Rockville and Rockville, Maryland for providing me this car. But let's get this beast fired up. Econ on, off. Make sure to reach out to Aidan if you're interested in buying this specific car or any other cars he's got on the lot. I'll have his business card attached in the right hand corner side of the screen. But let's go take a look outside and take her for a test drive. So if you were back in 2015 and wanted a fun, reliable, affordable car that you can have tons of fun with on the back roads and just dailing it, this was your option right here. I've always liked the way these look. I think they have a very cool futuristic vibe to them, and I'm really curious to see how the manual feels in this car. Obviously it's got 179,000 on it, so I mean, I'm not expecting the clutch to be in perfect condition or anything. So if we do have hiccups and other stuff, that's probably to be expected. Hard material here, hard material here. Seat feels nice, and let's hop in here. So sitting in the back, I'm 6'2", and actually feels plenty spacious. Plenty of headroom, plenty of leg room, nice headliner. Feels very solid in here. No armrest though. That's the only thing. Let's go take a look at the trunk and the engine and go for a drive. So we're gonna pull, we're gonna pull. So here we got a decently sized trunk. You can fit in a lot of stuff, whatever you want to put in here. Suitcases, I don't know, a TV. You can technically fit in here. Not the biggest one, but it will fit. Closes right up. Let's take a look at the engine bay. And here we have the 1.8 liter VTEC. Alrighty. Alright, hood is closed. Let's go take a look inside. And here you're going to find this very futuristic cabin. It's definitely been like this since like 2007. It always felt like this. We have the buns, the radio. AC is pretty cold. Nicely stitched dash. This is hard. This is hard. Eco mode. Information. Oh, this is cool. All right. We got a glove box. Some more, another glove box with a USB. A visor without lights. Lights work. All right, let's do a wiper test. And now horn test. And let's get started. So right away, setting out here, you can just tell how nimble and agile this Civic is. It's literally instant on the handling. We also got that eco meter, shows the green on the sides. Very nimble, I would say, for this kind of car. Definitely has some pickup to it. It's very easy to steer and maneuver. And I definitely like it more with the manual for this car than the 5-speed automatic. Because the 5-speed, it just doesn't give you the same experience. Go ahead. All right, let's check the cornering. Very nice. Holds the corner impressively well. We're at 4,500 RPM, and we're gonna come out here. You can definitely tell that this gearbox, like the clutch and everything, again, 179,000, it reflects that. Impressive capabilities, I gotta tell you that. I can't imagine how fun this stick must have been when it was brand new and working flawlessly. Haha. You can hustle. Let me tell you that. And I really like the way this engine just spins out. It has a very nice note to it. I'm gonna turn off the AC a little bit more here so you can hear the engine note better. What a fun car to drive, seriously. I love this experience. And there's lots of power for my taste. Like, you know, I'm not saying, oh, I wish this had more and more power. This is actually plenty, I'd say, honestly. Like, you need to pass somebody, speed grows effortlessly, and we're already going at this speed. What an easy car to drive, honestly. Now I can't imagine like the SI with some mods, like a short shifter and other things. It'd probably be incredible, because this is already so much fun. Yeah, see, like, just leaves everybody behind. amazing. And just the agility of this car, oh gosh, this is good. Literally, such a zippy ride. I love the top end here. It just spins so nicely. And you can keep spinning it to like 7,000 without an issue. But let's head down to Mexico, do a 0 to 60 test, and wrap up this test drive. All right, so we're gonna do our first acceleration test. We're gonna go 3, 2, 1. Gonna give it a little bit of throttle. Let's go. That was, well, not bad. Not bad at all for a hot day. Definitely did much better than on the Accord 2.4 and the CR-V. So let's see the times, what we did. So by draggy, we did 0 to 60 in 9.2 seconds, which I think is very decent for a hot day. 0 to 62 in 10.1. I could have probably shaved off another maybe 2/10 if I shifted a little bit better, but it kind of froze in for a sec. But let's see, the 1/8 mile 11.04 at 65, and the 1/8 okay, the quarter mile was 16.9 at 85.71 miles an hour. So almost 86 miles an hour on the trap speed. And here was, yeah, 1725 at 86.4. So see, like, I could have actually done even better, I feel like. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now the top end of this car doesn't feel any worse than your Ultima 2.5, like the newer ones. It's very rev happy. And this car actually starts moving especially well after 60-70. That's when it really starts to be in its peak performance. easy car to zip in. It's super zippy. Plenty of pep. So far, out of a lot of Honda products, this is one of my favorite ones actually. They're just so much fun to drive. And of course, even despite its age, it's still super duper fun. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this test drive today. This summarizes the test drive. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And till next time.